How to set up automated emails on MailChimp. So, hi guys. The first thing that we need to do is to sign up or log in to our MailChimp account here in our browser. Now, here we can see that we're actually on our dashboard. Stay. How to set up automated emails on MailChimp. So, hi guys. Before we get started, let me just tell you why email automation is important, especially if you do have a business. So basically, it makes retention and loyalty strategies a breeze and increase customer lifetime value. So it actually allows you to automate requests for feedback or send exclusive offers to high spending customers and trigger re engagement campaigns if subscribers are staying. So basically, this helps you create the right email for the right audience or for the right group of subscribers into your page or into your business platform with the right messages that you'd send them at the right time as well. So that's why email automation is very important. And we can actually do that here at MailChimp. So let's get started and let me tell you how to simply do that here in our MailChimp. First is let's go here to our left hand side and let's look for automations. So here we can see automations. Overview, all journeys, pre-built journeys, transaction emails, and the likes. So let's go to our overview section. Now, here you can actually see our journeys. So there are actually two ways. First is you can build from scratch and you could actually choose a pre-built journey. Either way. But if you want the simpler option, then you can actually choose the pre-built journey. So let's click on this one first. All right, now let's just wait for our page to load. And here, so in our pre-built journeys, there are actually different types of, um, designs that you can make use of. Like, for example, if you're welcoming new contacts or like welcoming new contacts who have subscribed via your pop-up or find new links through LinkedIn lead generation forms and the likes. So you just need to actually like, you know, um, scroll down a bit and navigate on which is the best you make use of. Like for example, if you want to make use of support and manage contacts, then there are like pre-built journeys made especially for you on that certain topic. All right, so there you have it. Now let's go to, for example, nurture leads. So email tagged customers here. Okay. Now, in order for you to successfully use this journey, um, it will actually give you like an overview first of what is an email tag journey, explanation, um, the ways here in this journey, and here, good to know facts that you need to know before you use this journey. So first, contracts are added when contact is tagged. Next is you'll need a paid MailChimp plan, an audience, and a tag or a MailChimp tag. So basically, guys, there is actually a MailChimp plan, and for free users, it's actually just very limited. So you actually need to have this one, the essentials, the standard, or the premium, depending on the journey that you're going to make use of. But as for this one, um we're gonna or MailChimp recommends standard for your pre-built journey or for your chosen pre-built journey. For the free version though, they're actually limited pre-built journeys. However, we cannot actually, send emails because we are on a free plan basically, and only people who are on the essential plan, standard, or the premium plan could do so. So here, going back to our pre-built journey. So just to give you an overview, let's go to use this journey. And here for your audience, you can see that's your audience and everything is set up for this journey. So just hit on continue. All right, so here you can actually customize your journey. However, if you're already satisfied, you can actually click on this one wherein you can save and continue with your campaign basically. However, as I mentioned a while ago, we're on a free plan, so I cannot click on this one. Now, just to give you an overview here, if you want to set a tag, you can actually do this one, and there are options that you can edit. So for example, let's click on the edit option, and here's your starting point. Now you'll see tag in here, and you can click on the drop down. So you can actually select from customer, member, or receive pop-up form offer. So for example, if it's receive pop-up form, all right, so you can save it as your starting point basically. And then now that you have started, you can actually add a journey point, and you can put an if else statement, for example. And in here, you can just enter the drop down and choose the one that you would like to make use of. Like, for example, match all or any of the following conditions. So let's have all, and then you choose the campaign activity, for example, um, conversation activity or landing page. Okay, let's choose that one. And then afterwards, did not sign up on or signed up on. So let's say did not sign up on. Now, we are going to use a landing page. We have three landing pages that was created already before. So let's click on this one, Moonstar, and hit on save. Now, the next one will prompt you to a yes or no question. So here you can actually edit this one again, and you can set a time delay. All right. So for example, if you want to set the time delay for 3 days, so you can click on save and whatnot. Now for the no, you can actually add a journey, or you could have them contact exits. And then you could create an email, and there will be a 3-day delay and create an email again. So that's about it. Now you could also test your emails before you can make use of you know, the journey. So here you're just gonna send it to a test email address, and then include instructions and a personal message, which is actually optional. So here, email tag contact one and email tag contact two, and then just hit on send test. All right, now let's on this one. The next part would be here in your audience dashboard. So here in your audience dashboard, it's very important actually because of course you need to have contacts before you can send your email, and you can actually click on add your contacts. And basically, if you do have a landing page and you've created a tag, or if you have created a group question, then you would be able to segment the group very easily and simply. So there are actually three ways in order for you to add a contact. So you can import from another service, upload a file, or copy and paste them. So there you have it. Now going back, let's go to all campaigns. Actually, guys, if you have already made the automation, you see it on the campaign section. Right. So let's take a look at it if we have made anything basically for our campaign. All right, so as you can see, we actually do not have one since again, um, we are on a free. So for example, okay, so this one, we have created this one a while ago, the journey here. Let's just click on the campaign and get to know more. Okay, oops. Let's go back to our campaigns. Okay, now here we can actually go back to the pre-built journey that we have made here in our untitled um, journey. Now let's hit on view email, and in here you can actually see a template that will be sent out. All right, let's go back. All right, let's just wait for the page to load back again. Okay, now let's hit on this one once more. Okay, so basically you can actually edit this one and then you can choose the recipients. So in order for you to choose the recipient, you just need to add recipients. And as I mentioned a while ago, we don't have contacts yet since I have just started as well with MailChimp. Now for the from section, of course, who is sending this campaign, you need to add that one as well. And you need to add a subject basically. Now, for the content, of course, you need to again upgrade your account. For a plain text or version of this email will be included automatically, but you can edit this out by clicking on this hyperlink. And to send your email, remove or replace the placeholder content. All right. So that's basically about it. And then after which, if you have finalized everything on your end, you can actually schedule it or you can actually send it right away if you want to send it real time. But if you want to set a specific date, then click on schedule. All right. So that's about it for today's video, guys. I hope you've enjoyed and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.